You know, it's coming in the middle of the day. If it was coming in, say, 12 hours later or 12 hours earlier, and we were cold enough, we'd be talking about a lot more snow. But for the next 12 hours, it's really kind of quiet and cold weather we're talking about. Next threat, obviously, that rain, snow, and mix that we're talking about for tomorrow. And if you want to look ahead to the weekend, I know it's only Monday, we do have a chance of seeing some more rain or snow possible on Saturday. Now, if you look at how much moisture this system is bringing in, look at this. We're talking about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. If it was cold enough, most everyone would be looking at least a foot of snow out of the whole thing. So there's lots of moisture to work with. What we're lacking is the cold air. So out to the west, you see that it's snowing. Kansas City, as you just saw a few moments ago, snow, rain down to the south. This whole thing is moving in our direction. But not tonight. Tonight it's just the clouds thickening up, but a cold night. 18 inland to 32 at the coast. There's going to be big temperature spreads the next couple of days, and that's why you're going to see snow in some places and rain in the others. Tomorrow, rain at the coast and then snow inland. And really you need the elevation to stay cold enough to keep it as snow. But I think as this whole system collapses from Boston to the North Shore, it may actually end as a brief burst of some snow. Temperatures tomorrow, 34 degrees up along Route 2. The Cape will be having temperatures into the upper 40s. So you see what happens. These are the high temperatures tomorrow. Warm enough for rain. Yeah, a little bit of mix coming into it. But once you get beyond 495, now it's cold enough that we have to talk about snow. And this is what I mean. Look over the Cape. Nantucket's high temperature tomorrow will be 50 degrees, where temperatures around Orange will only be at the freezing mark. So the dry conditions for that morning commute, snow should be arriving between 8 and 11. Then we'll see that snow off the northwest, heavy rain, slush, initially, and then kind of changes over to rain anywhere to the southeast. And then it kind of wraps up as we head toward 9 o'clock tomorrow night, but maybe ending as a brief burst of some snow. But let me time it out for you and show you what I'm talking about. So this is tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Snow, rain hasn't even gotten here yet. There is snow up along Route 2, so if you're an early morning commuter up along Route 2, be careful about that. But eventually the rain comes in here. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And remember also, the ocean is at 50 degrees. So we're bringing a warm breeze off the ocean, pushes that warm air inland, keep the snow into this band up here, and this is about as far north as that rain snow line gets. And then as the storm system goes by, it collapses and brings the cold air back closer to the coast, which is why I think some from Boston to the North Shore may actually get a little burst of some snow tomorrow night. So when you put it all together, this is the area we're talking about, from 128 to 495, coating to 2 inches, and then right along 495, 2 to 4. But once we get some elevation, this would be in the 4 to 8 inch category. Now, don't focus on the 8. That's going to be isolated areas, but you get the idea. And this, by the way, will be a heavy, wet snow that we're talking about because the moisture content is so high. All right, here's the way it breaks down then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, it's snow inland, rain at the coast, and it's an alert day. Wednesday, it's windy and cold, 38 for a high. We'll keep it cold on Thursday. Now, there may be a few afternoon flurries or snow showers that come through on Thursday afternoon. That's because we have a new wedge of cold air coming in here. Look at Friday morning, down to 10, and the afternoon high is only 28 degrees, and there's that chance of some more rain or snow next Saturday. Welcome to December. Meteorologically now, we are in winter. Ben and